Or she is just scared. Oh. Okay, here is the rest of the chickens. I don't know what they're doing here. Hi, guys. They're hanging out in the pen because in the coop, they do not want to come out of here. Peckers, Omelet. What's that, Bubble? I see Bubble, I see Nikki. Oh, you poor guys. Oh, Kayla, you came back. We have 6 hens, 1 rooster, 2 male ducks. And they do not like the snow, obviously. What are you gonna do with Kanish? Hi guys. No eggies for me? No eggs. Hi, Nikki. That's our other Polish hen. I'm taking video. That's Nikki. I have to give them some fresh. Oh, hey, I saw that. I think Peckers just pecked Nikki. That's where she gets her name from, because she pecks. Not us, just the other chickens. Aww. You guys. What's the matter, Nikki? You're not happy in there, huh? I should get the rooster back. You're gonna go out? Hey! Stop that, Peckers! What's the matter, Nikki? You wanna go out? Where's Bubble? Oh, there's Bubble. Hi, Bubble. Bubble's a bantam, a little chicken. Our rooster's a bantam, too. Girls are still playing with the other Polish chicken over here.
We got...
Oh!
Right. That was awesome. I felt like she was a parrot.
Yes,
Anyway,
they do fly a little bit.
her on the table.
You know what, though? The rooster's under there. You guys should bring the rooster back, no?
Go get Bubble and I'll dance around with Bubble.
Yeah, there's Bubble. Bubble's a bantam, the little chicken. I gotta go.
The boy Polish one?
No, there's both. They're all girls. Those are all hens in there. The only boy is under the deck now with the ducks, with the male ducks, with the drakes.
Ew! What is that one chicken doing? What? Look at its one foot. It's like crinkled.
They keep their foot.
Oh yeah, they like to do that. Like
keep their foot up, and they keep their foot up.
Yeah, they just like to rest like that.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard for them to hold. I want to hold that one.
Which one?
Who wants me? The white one.
Yeah, white one's nice. That's Omelet.
Like that. I really want to hold the rooster.
Yeah, he's nice if you, he likes to be held like a baby. You hold him like a baby, he'll fall asleep in your arms. He's hard to catch, though. It's easy to catch when he's in the coop or at night. When he gets... No, it's yeah, under the deck, forget it. He's easy to catch at night when he's starting to fall asleep, and when he's in the coop. That's about it. All right, guys, I gotta go. Get some hot water for the some nice warm water for the chickens and ducks, and get their food and stuff. So, all right, take your time. Bacon will be ready. Snow, 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 lots of snow all around. Oh, where's the chickens and ducks? Underneath the deck. Hello. There. Uh-oh, I see them back there. Hello. Hey there, rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. No cock-a-doodle-doo from you, huh? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, she's crazy. She's the crazy Polish one. That's good. I gotcha. Yeah, she's a screamer. Oh gosh, that's Bella. Bella wants me.